Before we get started, I just want to let everybody know I'm doing a free loop kit giveaway for new subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, or feel free to hit me up on Twitter or Instagram and I will slide you a link to those as quickly as I can. What's going on YouTube? Taylor Prentice, TP Money, whatever you want to call me. And today I'm here with another video, and this is going to be me cooking up with a guitar loop. So big shout out to all the people I get guitar loops from. This one is from a guy named Odeezy, and then Red the Kid and UV are mainly the other guys I get my guitar loops from, which is awesome because I have no idea how to play guitar. I have one in my room, but I haven't had much time to learn it, so here we are using the loop still, of course. I'm just going to go in and cook up with it, and hopefully you guys can pick up on some of the things I do when I'm normally making a beat. And if you guys need guitar loops or any other kind of loops, definitely make sure to go check those three guys out. I'll have a link to all their Twitters and Instagrams probably in the bio, so definitely go check that out. But let's get it. Alrighty, so here's the loop. Alrighty, so I've got my main 808 pattern for now. I just dragged in some of these drum sounds, so I'm going to go ahead and draw some of these patterns real quick. Oh. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. There you have it. Me cooking up with a crazy Odeezy guitar loop. But yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this. It was pretty easy. I think it turned out pretty well. So if you guys like these kinds of videos, I will definitely make more because this is something I do generally every day. So I just ended up recording it, and hopefully you guys saw my process and saw some tips and tricks that you can pick up on when you're cooking up by yourself. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget about the free loop kit I'm doing for new subscribers. If you're new to the channel, leave a like and comment down below, please. And hit that subscribe button if you could. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later.